After returning from vintage radials on June 16th, the maintenance crew installed the repaired engines in record time. By Saturday, June 21st, the first engine run was completed. The engine test revealed some adjustments for us to make, and the team pulled together to get everything ship-shape. Once all the adjustments were made, the aircraft was flight-ready. Our ops team pulled together and completed a successful maintenance test flight on June 27th. Minor squawks were found, but nothing unexpected. The maintenance team did an outstanding job under pressure. With final squawks being addressed and crew training underway, we expect to be out on the road soon.